Hi everyone, Mr. Jenkins here. How you all doing? Alright, Jacob is here. Jason is here. Who else is here? Leah is here. Hi Leah. I'll wait a few more minutes then as more people are coming in. Hello. Okay. Nice. Jacob says, hello. Jacob says, good. I'm good too. Hanging out. And friends, can you hear me okay? How do you hear me? Close all of my tabs, friends. I'm gonna close everything. This computer. Let's see if that helps. Okay, better. We are doing Scratch first, but do you want to do calculus later? You might have noticed the music. There is music playing. That is music from the Kahoot. Alright, we're back. Okay, it looks like my stream health is doing better. On this computer, it says it's poor. But you know what? We'll get there soon. Alright. Whoa, I still haven't got my yayas. Yeah. I feel good. No. He feels good. I feel good too, Jacob. Bang! Alright, everyone. I think I'm gonna get started. This, yeah, for now. Oh, now it's happening. I see. All right, it's on the green now. All right, friends. Okay. Hello, everyone. Can you see? You okay? And how about hear me okay? So, friends, I'll start putting up instructions to code with me. You can first go to scratch.mit.edu. That's the first thing. Right. If you can, all right? Sign in if you can. So I always say that sign in if you can, because if you don't sign in, then you might lose all your work, and you probably don't want that. And then 3, pick a sprite that you want to make rain. What do you want to drop from the sky? And how do you want to duplicate that thing many times so that we can make it rain from the sky many times? All right. Okay, friends, so I'm going to go to Scratch as well. Let me sign in with my account. And then I'm going to click on Create. Bam. Ooh, I forgot my water there. All right, friends. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom. And focus on this corner right here. So guys, remember, you click on the little trash can. And then when you click on that little trash can, you get rid of the cat. So it's bye-bye cat. And then click on this button right here, the choose a sprite button right here. Click on this. And I'm going to make it rain tacos. So it's going to be raining tacos in here, guys. Again, I clicked on this button right here. Yeah, I clicked on this button right here to choose a taco. If you want to make it rain donuts, you can do that. You can make it rain Cheetos. And tell me in the chat, what do you want to make it rain? So what do you want to drop from the sky? For me, it's going to be taco. It's going to be raining tacos in here. All right. Okay. Awesome. All right. So I have my taco in here. It's kind of big. And friends, one way of changing the size of your taco or your sprite, whatever you pick, is to change this number right here. But another way, this is a second way that you can change the size of your sprites, is by using that looks block. So I'm going to first use this block right here. Friends, I go to events and grab when green flag is clicked. Oh, Jacob picked the taco as well. Nice, Jacob. And then I'm going to go to looks. So on the left hand side, there's a looks category. I click on that. And inside the looks category is this block right here, set size to. Yeah, so you can change the size of your sprites with these two blocks. I can set the size to, just 1 second, friends. I'll keep this code right here. I'll keep this at 20% and then click on the green flag. So I have a small taco. And then I'll be right back. Let me reset my router so that we can have a better connection. And it comes and goes, it looks like. I'll be right back. Oh, Nicole is here. Hi, Nicole. Scratch. Let me put the link. Instructions. First, go to scratch.mit.edu. There might be a clickable link right here. And then click create, everyone. And then, friends, these are the first two blocks that I used. I made a taco by clicking on the little cat right here. And I made a taco. And I'm going to make this taco rain. It's going to fall from the sky. The first thing that I did is when I click on a green flag, I made the taco 20% size. Because I want little tiny tacos falling from the sky. I don't want giant tacos falling from the sky. Know what I'm saying? All right, the next block is coming up. The next block is coming up. Okay. Let's do this. Inside the forever, we're going to put a dark blue block. So I'm going to go to motion. Friends, if you don't see any blocks in motion, if you go to motion and you don't see any blocks, that's because you're programming the backdrop. So be sure that you're not clicked on the stage. If the stage is blue, that's no good. Make sure you clicked on your sprite. My sprite is the taco. And friends, tell me, what did you pick? Sprite did you pick? I saw that Jacob picked a taco, just like me. But Nicole, what did you pick? Jaden, what did you pick? And guys, if you tell me what you picked, then I can make this code specific to your sprite so that we can, make this better for you. All right, so I'm on motion now, this dark blue category motion. And in there is a block called change Y by. So you might have to scroll down for this. From the top of the motion category, I scroll down, 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 and find change Y by 10. Bam, right here, change Y. You see it? Just move the taco anywhere and it goes up. So friends, for this one, you gotta click on that green flag. So first click on that green flag and then move the taco and you'll see that it just goes up. Not crazy, it just goes up, bam. You wanna make it go up slowly? Make this a small number. Click on the green flag again and now it goes up slowly. Right? It goes up very, very slowly. And if you make this a fast number, if you make this a big number, it'll move really fast. Let's make this 100. Click on the green flag. Now when I move the taco, bam. Did you guys even see that? Bam. It's so fast. And if you do 1,000, million, zillion, jillion, billion, 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 then it might not be that interesting even. It's just like, it looks like it's teleporting. The taco is moving up so fast that it looks like it's teleporting. So I'm going to keep mine at 10. But, things usually don't rain upwards. They rain down. So how can we make this move down instead of up? How can we make this taco move down instead of up? I don't know. What do you guys think? If the normal 10 makes it move up, if positive 10 makes it move up, what would negative 10 do? Nicole, Jacob, Jaden, what do you think? So friends, if you put a minus next to this 10, the taco will move down. Now the minus is next to the number 0 on your keyboards. Next to the number 0 is a minus sign. So if you put that minus sign here, now your taco will move down. Hey, look at that taco go down. Let me make this a bit slower. -5. How about that? So normal 5 makes it move up. -5 makes it move down. So if you make that a minus number, it'll start moving down. Cool. But what I want to do is I want to make it move down. And when it's at the very, very bottom, I want it to move it up again. And then when it's at the very bottom, go to the top again. So we're on like a continuous loop. Go up, down, up, down, up, down. So what I'm going to say here is an if statement. So let me go to control. On the left side, there's this control category. So let's go to control category. And in there we have this if. I'm going to put the if under change y by -10. Change y by -5. All right, our code is getting bigger. Remember, friends, this if, it looks like a C. There's another if that looks like an E. We're not using that right now. This is an if then else block. We're only using the if then block. And if blocks or if statements are very, very useful. They exist in all of the programming languages out there. Really, I can't think of any programming language that doesn't use if. All right, so you got your if in there. We're going to say if the y position of this taco is at the very, very bottom, then make it move to the top again. If it's at the very bottom, make it move to the top again. If it's at the very bottom, make it move to the top. All right. Yeah, friends, if you like this video so far, if you find this fun, you can move the taco and let it go, and it moves down. You might be able to see that. You let go of the taco and it moves down. It's super cool. If you like this video so far, please smash that like button, and that'll really help us create more videos like this. All right, here is a next block. Next block is coming up. And notice the right side of that block doesn't really go in. The left side of this block goes in. Whenever that little bubble highlights, I can let go. Common bug ever, the most common bug ever is confusing the x and the y. Make sure that these are all y's. Change y by -5. Y position is less than 50. And set y to -180. Okay, I'm going to change that number to 250. And we already have a raining taco. We already have a raining taco. Now, this is a number here that you need to change. How far do you want this to rain down? Do you want to go a little bit lower? Then pick a number less than 50. For example, 0. And it goes down a little bit more. What's a number that's smaller than 0? What's a number that is smaller than 0? What do you all think? What's a number smaller than 0? So I need to put a number here that is smaller than 0 so that the taco goes all the way down. What do you think? What's a number that is smaller than 0? Huh. We used it before for change y, and we could use the same for the y position. What's a number that is smaller than 0? Jaden says 12,446. Nope. But if it was minus 12,446, then yes, from random places on the screen. So it's raining from here, there, everywhere. All right. So friends, I'm going to right click on this taco and duplicate. So friends, if you're on a Chromebook, you can use a peace sign to click on the taco. You make a peace sign, and on a trackpad, you click on the taco and you get this duplicate sign. Guys, do you want to try this out? Go ahead and duplicate this taco. Once you do that, you can duplicate it as many times as you want, really. You can click on a green flag, and now I have many tacos. I have many, many tacos falling from the sky. So guys, let me show you that in a big screen. It's raining tacos. Hallelujah. Jacob, yes. And if you share your Scratch project link. So share the Scratch project link, and if you click like, how about that? If you click like, we'll play, because I only see one like right now. All right, friends, so this is not the smart way of doing this. I have many tacos in here, and I can keep on duplicating it, but it's a lot of work. I'm gonna delete all of my tacos that I've duplicated and make only one. Hi, Calvin. Hi, Calvin. Nice, I see 2 likes. If I get, let's say if I get 5 likes, we'll do a Kahoot. We'll do a Kahoot at the end, and the Kahoot can be about internet. Hi, Calvin. This is Mr. Jengis, and I'm doing good. Calvin, I'm making it rain today. That's what I'm doing. Okay. All right, so this is the code to make one taco rain. I'm gonna make many clones of this taco. I'm gonna make many clones of this taco by doing this. Let me put this forever block to the side. Now, last week, you might remember, last week we did clones. And the clone blocks are inside control. Yes. So when green flag is clicked, we can create a clone of this taco. And then this program can start when I start as a clone. Yes. And then let's do that hide and show trick that we do for clones. When I start as a clone, show. When green flag is clicked though, hide. All right, we're at 3 likes. If we get 5 likes, friends, we'll start a Kahoot soon. All right, friends, I go to control and then I grab this repeat block. So this number will determine how many tacos you want to make rain. Let's try this out. I click on the green flag, and do you guys see those tacos? Bam, right there. But they're all falling at the same time. So what we can do is we can use this go to random position block, and then click on the green flag, and they go to random positions. Okay. Friends, you can click on this button right here to make a backdrop. I'm going to use this blue sky backdrop. Really nice. Look at this. I have so many tacos. That's 10. What should I put in here? I'm going to make, instead of 10, let's make it 100. There's going to be 100 tacos falling from the sky. Look at that. It's raining tacos. And while these tacos are moving down, we can also turn them. So they all look like they're falling down and turning at the same time. What? After that, friends, we can do this also. I can go to looks, and inside looks is my second favorite block of all time. It's called color effect, change color effect. Look at that. It's raining tacos. Wow. That's kind of hurting my eyes. I'm gonna make this 1. And maybe make it turn like maybe like 5. All right, let's try that out. It's raining tacos. Hallelujah. taco. Oh wow, we're at 4 likes right now, friends. We're at 4 likes. All right. Here is the code. Here is the entire code. I'm just gonna put all this stuff in here and zoom. For those of you who are not watching this live, you can pause the video and take a look at this entire code. Do you have 20% here? Is it set size to? Do you have the hide and show blocks? Go to random position here. Remember, this block is when green flag is clicked. This one is when I start as a clone. They look similar. And friends, you can add these 3 blocks here to change the way they move and change color. Look at that. This turned out to be a really cool project. Yeah. All right. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to choose a sprite. And I think there's a bowl in here. And I'm going to quickly put some code for this bowl. When green flag is clicked, forever, and 2 ifs, 2 parallel ifs. We're at 4 like friends. Can we get to 5? No? We'll see. All right, so if, or not mouse down, if key space pressed here and then key space pressed there, and I'm going to click on the little triangle here and change that to right arrow and the other one to left arrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bowl to catch falling tacos from the sky. Look at that. That's a lot of tacos, man. And for this one, I'm going to use that move block. For right arrow, move 10 steps. For left arrow, move minus 10 steps. Minus 10. And click on a green flag and you'll see it. It moves left and right. I got this taco moving left and right using my keyboard, right? So I'm using the arrow keys in my keyboard to move this taco left and right. But it's not catching yet. So let's go back to the taco code. And let's put another if in here. I go to control and another if right here. And I'm going to say if touching bowl. If the taco touches bowl, then I can just duplicate this code and put it right here. Same thing. If it touches the bowl, then go to random position, somewhere in that random, and then go to the very top. So all right, friends. Let me make this maybe 20 tacos. And then we can play this game. Click on a green flag. Oh. And I can catch some tacos. I'm catching this taco, catching that taco. And this becomes a really fun game. And you can make it more challenging by putting in bad tacos. So if you catch a bad taco, you lose points. But if you catch a good taco, you win points. Nice. And I really like the way they change color. This is a really fun game. Oh, we're still at 4 likes, guys. Are we going to be able to make it? Well, while we're waiting on that, let's do one more thing. I'm going to go to variables, of course. Make a variable for score. Okay. When I click the green flag, set score to 0. Okay. But if touching bowl, then change score by 1. All right. So now I can count. I've gotten 12 ones, 15, 16, 19 tacos. And you can challenge your friends. How many times How many tacos can they catch? Wow, kind of cool. Yeah, Jaden looks like he's spamming the chat. Okay. All right, friends. Again, if you're watching this after the live stream, guys, you can take a look at this code. You can pause it. It's a very long code. Look at that. And I'm going to click that share button. You too. Can you click that share button as well? And title your projects whatever you like. I'm going to say raining tacos. Yeah. Move with the arrow keys and catch the tacos. Really nice. And after you share, friends, you can send me your link in the chat, or Jacob, Jaden, if you shared, I can probably find yours in here. Oh yeah, Jacob is right here. Boom, boom, boom. Nice, Jacob. And let's see inside. Nice, Jacob. Change this number. Change this number to minus 250. Or sorry, minus 150. And you forgot one block here, Jaden. I mean, Jacob, sorry. Jacob, you forgot one block here. It's called change y by 10. Yeah. And it makes the apple go up. Yeah, it's not great. How can you make it move down? Make it say minus 10. And Jacob, also, instead of set x to 250, make this say set y to 250. And boom, I got a falling apple right here, but it's falling from all the way there. Let me move it. Let's actually to random position block right here and put it in there. And I click on green flag. Nice. Look at that. I got this apple raining from everywhere, from all over the place. All right, friends, we have about 10 minutes left. Jacob, go ahead and fix your bugs. I added some blocks to your code. It's not going to update your code, so you have to do this yourself. I just showed you how to do it, so you have to do this yourself. And once you do it, you'll have one apple falling. You want to duplicate it? You want to duplicate it again? You want to duplicate that? And maybe duplicate that. And you can duplicate it again. To duplicate that one more time. And to duplicate it one more time, just for good luck. And then click on a green flag, and you'll have many, many, many falling apples. You gotta duplicate, man. All right, friends. It's the last 10 minutes. You want to try? Do you want to try to do a Kahoot? You can try. Yes. I don't know yet. What website do you need to go to play Kahoot? What is the website that we need to go to play Kahoot? Jacob. Do you remember where do we need to go to be able to play Kahoot? Oh man. Tornado. All right, let's try this out, huh? Let's do this classic. All right, everyone, you're gonna go to join this game. Go to Jacob is here. Alien face is here. Okay. Alright friends, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm starting in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Alright, this is Intro to Kahoot about cartoon characters. Let's see if you know about cartoon characters. Who is this character? Exactly 30 seconds. Right. Yeah. Jacob, yes. That's what happens. Let me try this though, huh, guys? We have about 5 minutes left. But I want to make this work. There is a delay. So Kahoot might not work. But I will try something. What if, instead of 20-second time limit, I made these like, I don't know, 120-second time limits? So sorry guys, you might be seeing the answers right now. But I think you know these characters anyways. And let's see if this works. I'm just gonna make all of these 120 so that you have enough time to see the questions. Let me try this out. Now finally we got this one. Play now. Each. Yeah. Oh. Different music. All right, Jacob is here.
Yeah.
This Kahoot is for real this time. spaces are here. It's in here. Alright, let's try this. I'm gonna click on Start and Intro to Kahoot. This is an intro. Let's consider this like a practice, okay? Who is this character? So friends, I don't know. Friends, you know what? It's not working. I'm gonna think about this, and maybe there's a different way of doing this with this thing. Says play now, and start a single player game with virtual players. Oh, that's not it either. I have no idea. I don't know how we're gonna do this Kahoot on a live stream. Alright friends, I think that's gonna be it for today. Have an amazing, amazing Thanksgiving, and thank you for joining the Kahoot. My name is Mr. Jengis, and every Tuesday, I'm here every Tuesday, 3:30 Pacific time, 6:30 New York time, Eastern time. And if you join, you can learn how to make video games on Scratch. And it's a lot of fun. Next time, I will try to do a Kahoot again. But please tell your friends about this live stream, because the more people, the more fun it is. Again, my name is Mr. Jengis from CodeSpeak Labs, and I'll see you all next week. Bye! See you later. Bye-bye.